this is real. Welcome to dream. This is over. Die. Alright. I'm a stranger to you. What about the moon? Well, it's mine to mine still. What about the moon? Well, it's mine to steal. Red pony, oh, you stand by my door. Red pony, oh, you stand by my door. All right. Let's sing a good old days. Well, let's just bring them back and hear them on the hi-fi stereo. What about the moon? Well, it's fine and magical. What about the moon? Well, it's mine to steal. All right, little sailor, let's go and take a little feed. You know what, drummer boy? I found a devil coming back the mountain, and he said, "Goddamn boy, you sure got them blues." True story, boys and girls. The devil, imagine that, gave you the heebie-jeebies. Anyway, then the devil asked me, "What you got there, boy?" Now, is that a harmonica? So you see, dear old Mr. Devil wanted me to play along with him this little tune that he wrote in hell. And this little tune goes a little bit like this. You ready, boys? Are you with me, boys and girls? You gotta do the James Brown thing and say, yeah. You gotta do the James Brown? Yeah! Yeah! Like, yeah! Yeah! That second time was wrong. Mighty fine, boys and girls. So here's about that devil tune. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3.